Learning how to draw animals means learning how to draw animals of all kinds, from domestic dogs and cats to wild, majestic creatures. But it is also fun to draw those lions, tigers, bears when they are cute and cuddly. I, Anuradhika Kapoor, welcome you for the new session, that is drawing of the animals. All you need is a sheet, pencil, eraser, colors, sharpener to transform simple shapes and basic lines into realistic renditions of animals. All the materials you need to start drawing are easy to find and will not break the bank. So we require sheets, pencil, eraser, colors and sharpener. When it comes to drawing cartoon animals, you may have noticed that many animals actually look quite similar to one another. Well, this helps a lot when it comes to drawing them. So let's start with the fox. We must follow all the instructions as shown here and make fox yourself. Elephant, a huge animal. Follow these steps. Try to make the cute elephant cartoon style. Beside this, you can also draw the elephant with geometrical shape like small oval or circle for the mouth and big oval or circle for the body, and for the legs you have to draw rectangle and then give the shape of the elephant legs. Cartoon style sheep. As you know, we get wool from these sheep. So again, we can use alphabet U to make its mouth, and following the steps, you can easily make the form of sheep. Drawing the horse is very challenging due to the complexity of its anatomy, but you can do it by simplify the design. To do that, you will work in large group. Note the spinal cord, which start at the top of the head and ends at the tail, and define the horse posture. Draw a oval shape for the stomach. Place the head and guideline for the neck and the slope of the back. At the chest, sketch the muzzle and the neck, add the eyes, ears and the nostril, sketch the tail and begin to draw the legs and forearms. And your horse will be ready. Cartoon horses. Horses have a broad, strong necks and their nostrils are projected upward. The ears are of the regular size and in comparison with the size of the head. One thing you must notice that the horse's hair goes down throughout the neck. Now it's time to talk about the water animals. So following these steps one by one, you will be able to make a shark, and you can also fill the color in this beautiful shark. Semicircle has been used to make the mouse with two ears with long tail, and of course mustaches have been shown, and one image of a donkey cartoon has been shown there, and one more animal, that is pig, with the snout muzzle has a rounded shape on top and flat on the bottom. The ears are slightly facing forward as it connects directly with the head. Try doing it with a rectangular shape. The animal design in cartoon style has some rules. What you have to notice here, their big and pointed ears, slightly spaced from each other or not, tiny snout, big mustaches, their body. You have to notice all the geometrical shapes to form the animals in a cartoon style. In animals, it is equally important to look at the ears. Are they far apart or close? Then ask yourself, are they large, pointed or shaggy? Are they situated on the top of the head or on the sides? And the tail, what is it like? Is it short, long, shaggy, high, low? Now observe the back. Is it horizontal, sloped, concave or convex? In cartoon style animals, we generally observe large circular eyes located in the middle of the head. The head is made from a circle that is not quite perfect. A simple addition to add more personality to the drawing, a large body filled with the plain colors, adding depth using a simple effect. Sometimes shadows are needed. So these are the tips to make the cartoon style animal. We can draw cartoon animals using complex lines or create fun characters just by assembling a few basic shapes. The head is made from a large oval shape and the body from a tiny rectangle. Eyes, pupils, the nose and even the ears are mostly made from circles and oval shapes. The mouth is drawn using a large curved line and the tail from a tiny triangle. You can clearly see the best tips to draw the most adorable character possible. Just draw large eyes, a large head and a tiny body. Learning how to draw animals is easier than it seems. First, simply observe them in order to identify the simple geometric shape that make them up. Carefully observe the form of the muzzle. Is the line that link it to the skull soft? Is the muzzle flat, concave or convex, long, fine or thick? To draw any animal, begin with the oval, rectangle shape for the body and then a smaller circle for the head. Place the eyes and the ears, begin to draw the legs and tail, add more detail to the facial features including the mouth. Now, go over the whole drawing with the marker or pen and ink if you want a stronger black and white look. Before you start to draw, stop and really look. Take a moment to observe and study the animal. You can take the help from the books, photographs of the animal, and even you can watch the animal program. You will notice their movement, observe them carefully and try to make them. Animals are living creatures. If you have been out in the wild drawing, you will have noticed that they are always on the move. You should be capturing this in your drawing as well. So draw these animals with full concentration. Learn to simplify the forms of the animals you are drawing, but make sure you know where to position the most important structures of the body such as the neck, hips, tail and limbs. Animal bodies have an immense flexibility. They expand and compress all the time. You just need to highlight the main areas and understand how the body works when it's in motion. The end. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.